Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to scan the QR code to automatically connect to Wi-Fi of the Samsung Galaxy S25. Okay, so first open up the settings and here just go to the connections and select the Wi-Fi option. And here, as you can see in the top right corner, we have the QR code icon, and if we press it, this will enable the rear camera, and also you can just not scan it live. And if someone sends us a picture of the QR code, we can just press the gallery button, and as you can see, this will enable the this window, and here we will be able to select the desired photo. So if you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.